Today, I will travel from Guwahati to Shillong, which is roughly 100 kilometers and takes around 3 hours. Guwahati is the biggest city of Assam and is situated on the south bank of the Brahmaputra. Guwahati is the gateway to northeast India. On the other side, Shillong, which is the destination of this drive, is a hill station and the capital of Meghalaya. It is otherwise known as the Scotland of the East. To truly enjoy the panoramic beauty of Shillong from Guwahati, drive through the highway surrounded by rolling hills, deep valleys, and sparkling lakes. Take the right turn for Shillong as the straight road goes towards Kaziranga National Park. We covered 20 kilometers from Guwahati. Now Shillong is 80 kilometers from this place. This NH6 highway has multiple petrol pumps on both sides of the road. This is the only toll gate in this NH6 highway which charges 80 rupees for cars. This is the entry point to Meghalaya state. Because of the COVID restriction, to enter into the Meghalaya, a traveler needs an entry pass, which is also available online. In order to avoid this long queue, you need to have the entry ticket or entry pass before starting your journey. Now our pass is approved, so we are ready to go ahead. This road trip has two popular restaurants. First, we found Jiva Veg on the right side of the road. After 1 or 2 kilometers, we found Excellencia. This time, we have taken breakfast in Excellencia. However, Jiva Veg also gives good breakfast. Excellencia is situated on the left side of the road. Now we are about to reach Umiam Lake and the Umiam Lake viewpoint. That means we cover around 82 kilometers from Guwahati. You can consider the right side road to go to the Umiam Lake, and you can stay there a night, or you can do the speed boating on Umiam Lake. We have reached now the Umiam Lake viewpoint. We stay for a few time here and capture some photographs for you. Now we have reached our destination, the Shillong. Here is the golf course of Shillong. On the upcoming videos, we come up with other viewpoints of Shillong.